Hey friends, if you wish to unregister, register or re-register any DLL file on your system, then please watch this video. It's the same for OCX files as well. So it's very important. To register any file, the command is regsvr32 space the name of the file. For example, if it's emp.dll, to register it, you simply need to type regsvr32 space emp.dll. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Paste it here and hit enter. Okay, this will register it if it is present in your system. And to unregister it, simply type regsvr32 space /u and then space the name of the file. Now, I'm not using a very popular DLL file because I don't want to unregister it, but all you need to do is paste it here and hit enter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.